County in Florida, Calhoun County in Florida, Eastern Holmes County in Florida, Western Liberty County in Big Bend in Florida, Washington County in Florida until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 3:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:21 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 2:21 p.m. Central Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles west of Greenville to near Tyndall Air Force Base, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Panama City, Lynn Haven, Callaway, Vernon, Bonifay, Blountstown, Mariana, Chipley, Graceville, Springfield, Highland Park, Stonehill Creek, Tyndall Air Force Base, Orange, Bradford, Parker, Malone, Wewaunishka, Sneeds, and Bristol. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for
I'm gonna turn this off for now.
of Florida in southwestern Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Central Standard Time or 4:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Florida: Calhoun, Jackson, and Liberty. The National Weather Service has...
Alrighty. Poopy poo.